So what's going on? This is on the first trading day of a brand new month. How significant is that, Oliver?
Well, you hit the nail on the head when you said choppy markets. We've got a 24-cent range here in July corn and a 35-cent range here for July beans. And a lot of that wide-ranging trade came in the overnight session, which I'd personally rather do without, but those are the markets we have. It's low volume, and a lot of it's computer and algo-driven, and it's not really the best for price discovery in this environment where you have emotions running high on both sides of the market. And I think that's what you're seeing in this choppy trade here to start the new month is emotional trades. You got people saying, get me out or get me in, and that emotion leads to some irrational movements. I wouldn't be surprised to see the dust settle out eventually, but it may take a couple weeks for that to happen. We do have crop progress here after the close. The expectations are that we're going to be very well ahead of the average pace, 35 to 40% planted. And that could potentially take a little bit of gas out of the corn market here in the near term. But the fundamentals, longer term, still remain relatively upbeat. And looking at that May contract in delivery, that is going to be very key to keep an eye on going forward.
Oliver, what changed in the managed money trade positions over the weekend with the latest Commitment of Traders report?
Well, I'm glad you brought that up. It is a head scratcher. Going into that report, a lot of analysts, including myself, were expecting to see the funds adding anywhere from 100 to 150,000 contracts, but that report actually showed funds reduced roughly 17,000 contracts, trimming their net long position to about 362,000 contracts. So a bit of a head scratcher there with the movement we saw last week. You would have thought that the funds added significantly to that long position. Keep in mind that data is through Wednesday, so it doesn't include the back half of the week, but still, we were expecting a much larger fund position in that report. We didn't get that, and still trying to kind of get to the bottom of that and get some answers. Well,